For the first time, you passed your motor without trying to push. Oh, I was already celebrating your win. That you passed it without trying to push it. Let's go to school. Go. Leave the motor. Leave it. Why are you looking at me that way? Do I look strange? Go. 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 Bye. I was already celebrating that you could pass your car without pushing it. That you're growing up. I did not know that I was just celebrating in vain. It's okay, you can't carry it to school. Let's go. Put it back. It's okay, you can't carry it to school. Where is he carrying that one? V! Okay. Bring it back. Drop it. Drop it, let's go. Drop it here. Bye, yo. I'm going. Drop it, close the gate. Close the gate. Let's go. Finally, let's go.